Hello everybody, it's Liliana Rowena, and today I'm going to be talking about some lifestyle Lolita tips for October. This is going to be styled again off of one of my big inspirations, which is ParfaitDoll. So just kind of a list where some things will directly relate to Lolita, some things might just be things I enjoy doing. And without further ado, here we go. The first thing is grab 20 bucks, go to the dollar store, get yourself just some fun, cute decorations. It's kind of a low budget way to get into the spirit of the season, and it is so much fun. Another idea is try to learn more about your ancestry. For me personally, Halloween is also a religious holiday, so I like to kind of take some time to think about how I would like to honor the dead this month. I feel like you don't have to be religious to do that though. You can just kind of explore within these spooky themes that are already in the month. You can go on Pinterest and find some cute, like, adorable baking or cooking or candy making or whatever, kind of spooky themed, like a ghost pops or whatever you want to find. If you're in the 21 and up crowd, make yourself like a fun Halloween themed cocktail maybe? I don't know, I think that could be fun. I made an outline, but I'm challenging myself not to actually look at it. Another thing that you can do, which I'm doing, is starting to listen to an etiquette podcast. Now this isn't really tied in to the theme of the month, but I think learning proper etiquette is definitely within my own idea of what a Lolita could be. You can also check in on like what were your New Year's resolutions? How are you doing on those if you're someone who participates in that, because there are still time for some of them. I've already beat one, and thank you guys for 100 subscribers. That was so exciting. That made my day. That was one of my New Year's resolutions, and I got there. That one was kind of difficult because some of that was just left to luck. And the other two are to be able to pick up my fiance bridal style even just for a moment and to be able to do a split. So I'm going to the gym a lot to see if I can get that done. The split I'm pretty close to. I think it's one of those things, it's like I'm getting there, but I definitely have to put the final push in there. Another one is look at an old hobby you used to be into and see if you might want to pick it up again. I just started playing guitar again, and I'm having a really good time with it. Another thing is to, again, go on Pinterest, do some spooky art. When I think of like what I think of a lifestyle Lolita, I kind of think of like Jane Eyre novels a little bit, not 100%, but like the types of ladies that like know how to speak some languages, draw, do music, just a very well-rounded, skilled people is what I think of. And maybe this is just a note to self. Learn how to take care of your houseplants. That's just a note to myself. I don't know how to do help. That's not really a tip. That's a cry for help with my houseplants. If you have any experience with plants, just comment down below. Oh my goodness, this video is so much fun to film. I maybe should look at my outlines more, but I thought these were fun ideas. Oh. Another thing you can do in the month of October is, of course, go get a pumpkin and carve it. Just any traditional seasonal stuff. Try mixing some pumpkin flavored things into your life if you like pumpkin stuff. I've been really loving seasonal candles from Bath & Body Works and just seasonal scents. My house smells like a Bath & Body Works now, which is not a bad thing, but it smells like a Bath & Body Works now, and it's just so amazing. I love it so much. Another thing is find one task in your home that's just been bothering you, that you have been like having trouble getting done, and just be like, today is the day that this is done, and just kind of do that task if you have the capability to do it. I'm talking more like tasks that are like, I had a pile of old papers I needed to go through, but I have the full capacity to do that right now. If you don't, that's okay, but can really help you like liven up your space a little bit and kind of push through it. kind of have a little bit of a nicer array to your life, whether it's your room or your apartment. It depends on how old you are and what do you have going on in your life. Another thing you can do is go for hikes before it gets too cold to do that, or there's too much snow. I haven't gone on a hike yet this month, but I would really, really like to, and I need to actually find the hiking trails. I have walked around in the woods by my house a few times and also done some photos over there, but I haven't gone on an official hike, and I really want to. Another thing you can do is learn how to press leaves and make cool leaf art, or incorporate leaves somehow, although that can make a mess, and again, I haven't done that in concern of the mess. But it could be very fun. And again, this is my usual chatty style of video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you all have a lovely day. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena, out.